what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yo. How are you doing, guys? I hope you all are doing great. I am also must bindas. So yeah, guys, as you have guessed by the title, I'm going to review some games in my favorite game. So ये idea कैसे आया? I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so ये आइडिया एक्चुअली आई वॉज बोर्ड, आई वॉज क्लूलेस, आई वॉज सो स्पीचलेस कि मुझे वीडियो बनानी है यूट्यूब के लिए, बट आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडियाज. सो मैंने गुरु जी से पूछा, चैट जीपीटी, टू लाइक टेल मी सम वीडियो आइडियाज़. एंड गेस व्हाट, लाइक बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ थे. आई वॉज लाइक, ओ दिस इज़ इंटरेस्टिंग, बट आई वॉज लाइक, let it be, I'll just do whatever I want to. So then I was playing Roblox, ठीक है. I mean, I love that game. I don't know, maybe आपको लग रहा होगा बहुत childish है, but it is a good game. So yeah, I was playing that game. I was like, why not make videos and review one of like my top 10 games in Roblox. बाय द वे गाइज, ये वीडियो के पहले मैंने थोड़ी रिसर्च की थी लाइक कॉपीराइट एंड ऑल के बारे में, बिकॉज आई सॉ दैट डे कि किसी लाइक व्लॉगर को सम कंपनी ने कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक दे दी थी. सो आई वाज लाइक, व्हाट इफ आई मेक दैट वीडियो, बट आई डोंट थिंक. मैंने सर्च किया था पॉलिसी एंड ऑल, सो इट वाज ऑल गुड. सो आई एम सेफ. सो या गाइज, ऐसे ही करके मुझे ये कुछ वीडियो का आइडिया आया था. सो विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शंस, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. ओके सो गाइज, मैंने लोकेशन चेंज कर दिया बिकॉज मुझे वहाँ पे गर्म हो रहा था, बिकॉज आई एम हॉट. ओके, व्हाटएवर, जोक्स असाइड. सो मैंने टोटल किए हैं 13 गेम्स लाइक गैदर रोलबॉक्स में जितने भी है, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू रैंक देम नाउ. सो लेट्स गो. Okay, so guys, on the 13th number, guess which game I have? It is Brookhaven. Yes, guys, तो ये game के बारे में I'll tell you. So, it was very fun back then. Like, ज़्यादा fun इसमें क्या था पता है? Like, all of the players who are playing this game, they used to role play and all. So I used to be a student, and there is also option that you can tag yourself, like you are a student, you are a mayor. It was so fun. I used to play it with all of my cousins. We used to do so much fun and all. And back then, this was the top tier game. Like, do you guys remember how Dress to Impress become a really big sensation now? It was like Brookhaven was the first one to do it, so it was the most awesome game. Okay, so guys, on the 12th number, the game which I have is Livetopia. Livetopia. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I really do love this game. This has really good, graphics and all. Like, I really love it. You can buy your own house, apartment. You can go on a pizza date with your best friend and all. This is so fun, I really love this game. Okay, so guys, on the 11th number, the game I have is The Floor is Lava. Oh my god, I love this game. I don't know, many people, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों को ये गेम बोरिंग लगता होगा who plays it, but I don't know, I just find it fun, like, I don't know, I just love the vibe of it. Like, you die and mostly I win. I don't die. I have collected many coins in this game. Like, you have watched one K-drama or a series, but you binge it again. It's like the same experience again and again. It's this game for me. Okay, so guys, on the 10th number, I have this game called Obby, but you're on a bike. This is, very funny. When I play this with my sister, it's like, wow, this is so cool. The anxiety while playing this, when you fall down now, you get really angry and you're like, I almost won this. But you're on a bike is really fun, It's really funny. You guys have to play this. Okay, so guys, on the 9th number, मेरे पास जो game है, it is really, I don't know what this game does to me, but it is really traumatizing. I don't know. This is the game called Tower of Hell. I bet you guys have played this. बहुत गुस्सा आता है मुझे ये गेम खेलते हुए, and I don't know how do people climb very high, because obviously the name itself is Tower of Hell. Okay, so guys, on the 8th number, the game I have is Hide and Seek Extreme. So ये game में एक funny चीज़ होती है. The seeker, we can taunt the seeker. Like, there is a voice audio. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's like, hey, something like that, but it is so funny. And the hiding part is really pro, because you can hide anywhere and it should show you कि आप कितने pro हो ये game में. Okay, so guys, on the 7th number, the game I have is My Restaurant, and my mom is also sitting behind me. But yeah, so ये game में you have to build your restaurant, like you have to buy new things, and इसमें ना Santa Claus भी आता है. I know, right? It's weird. इसमें Santa Claus भी आता है. Also ये game में aliens आते हैं, if I remember it correctly. बट या इट्स सो फन मैं ये गेम बहुत बार खेल चुकी हूँ एंड लाइक इट्स अ बिट ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन व्हेन यू प्लेइंग इट बिकॉज यू कैन बिल्ड जितनी भी लंबी इमारत आपको चाहिए एंड द मोस्ट फन पार्ट ऑफ दिस गेम इज़ यू कैन बिल्ड योर ओन रेस्टोरेंट लाइक I love to do that, like interior wala thing. I love it. And guys, on the sixth number we have Guess the Song. ये game बहुत fun है. Like मैं इसमें like मैं इतना अच्छा तुक्का मारती हूँ and it's always the correct I really enjoy playing this. I love to guess the songs or guess the country वाला things. So मुझे ये गेम बहुत पसंद आया था तभी when I played it. Okay so guys, on the fifth number we have Squid Game season 2. मैं इतना obsessed हो गई थी Squid Game season 2 and by the way season 3 is coming in June. I'm like yay, I'm so excited to watch it and this was really good. ये गेम में इट इज़ सो फन टीम वर्क एंड ऑल आई रियली इन्जॉय प्लेइंग दिस. बहुत अच्छा गेम है गाइज, यू हैव टू ट्राई इट आउट. आई नो मैं सब गेम्स के लिए ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ बट यू हैव टू मेरे ओपिनियंस को नहीं सुनेगा इफ़ यू डोंट. Okay, so guys, on the fourth number we have Hide and Seek. I love Hide and Seek, I guess. मैंने 2 गेम ऑलरेडी डाल चुकी हूँ बट या ये भी वाला Hide and Seek इसमें द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज़ यू कैन टर्न इनटू एनी ऑब्जेक्ट यू क्लिक. लाइक यू कैन टर्न इनटू लाइक सीमेंट, you can turn into grass, you can turn into a lamp. That is the interesting and fun part of this game. I really love it. ये गेम भी बहुत फन है, इसके भी ग्राफिक्स I really like, so you guys have to try it. Okay, so guys, on the third number, the game which I have is Dress to Impress. Yes guys, I bet आपको लगा होगा मैं first पे डालूंगी but नहीं. Dress to Impress was it got a little bit boring afterwards but it was so fun when it was like trending and all. I really loved it and इतना funny था. Like I used to win most of the time, so I think it was good. And मैं cheat भी करती थी एक game में. Like I used to search up the outfits on Pinterest and I used to do that. You guys can also try it out. Yeah, so this was also a fun game, I loved it. Okay, so guys, on the number 2, we have almost reached the number 2, but yeah, on the number 2, I have Clothing Store Simulator. Oh my god, this game, I love this, This is a really good game if you want to learn, थोड़ा marketing वाला because इसमें it is a very, इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज इसमें क्या होता है कि जब क्लोथ्स की प्राइस नीचे जाती है लाइक द बार गोज डाउन देन यू कैन बाय इट, वरना उसकी प्राइस बहुत हाई होती है. सो मैंने उसमें से सीखा एंड बहुत सारे मैंने टैक्टिक्स लगाए थे इसमें टू मेक द कस्टमर्स बाय माई क्लोथ्स एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ अ गुड वन. एंड गाइज ये गेम का एक सेकेंड वर्जन भी है विच इज़ सुपर मार्केट सिम्युलेटर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. मैंने ये प्ले किया था बट इट वॉज लाइक बोरिंग. Okay, so guys, I want drum rolls for this one. So on the first, I have drum rolls, please. Generic cooking game. I am obsessed with this game. I always play it whenever I download Roblox. Like I enjoy this. There is something peaceful about this and you can learn recipes but it won't obviously work in real life, but it is so fun. I like cooking games पहले से, बहुत पहले से. So ये game मैंने एक reel पे देखा था, someone recommended it and I was like इसकी ग्राफिक्स बहुत अच्छी. आई थिंक दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट गेम जो मैंने खेला था जिसकी ग्राफिक्स बहुत अच्छी थी एंड इसमें अपडेट्स भी आते रहते हैं. एंड द फन पार्ट ऑल्सो इसमें यू कैन बिल्ड अप योर सोलो वर्ल्ड. लाइक you are only there cooking for people and it's so good. I like how I make sushi and all, like ramen noodles. and इसमें you can आपको recipes भी मिलते हैं. so I really love this one and the rating is like 91%. Can you imagine that? So yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, ये थे सारे games which I love playing in Roblox. I hope you guys try it out and tell me how it is in the comment section. मैंने वो comment section का भी मैंने on करके रखा है, so I don't have any problem with it. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you loved it, share this video with your friends, family and relatives if you want to. I'll meet you in another video, vlog or anything. But yeah, bye bye. I am Yo.